Okay, so this problem is actually pretty simple. Don't get intimidated by the parentheses. It means nothing but the distributive property. So you're going to distribute this 3 to the 2a and to the -1. So 3 times 2a will be 6a, and 3 times -1 is -3. 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, now, just like the other problem, we're going to move the smaller a to the other side. So you're going to add -3 to both sides. Okay? -3a, -3a. You can barely see that one. Okay, here these will cancel out and just leave you with 3. Here, these two will combine to make 3a minus 3. Okay, now again, you get rid of anything that's attached to the a by a plus or minus sign. Here's the minus sign, so you want to get rid of that 3. So you're going to add 3 to both sides. Then you multiply by the reciprocal of 3 over 1. Okay, these will cancel out. Leave you with a equals 6 over 3, or a equals 2.